When it comes to your therapy space, having the right couch and chair makes all the difference. You really want to have furniture that speaks to your values, your personality, and helps add to the feel that you want your client to experience while in session. But even if you're not a therapist, whether it's a business office, whatever your occupation is, your use of space is really, really important. So when I was shopping around for furniture to set up the therapy space here at the school where I worked, where I started a new therapy program, I wanted to make sure I got something that was not just durable, since I'm working with teenagers, but also something that was not, didn't send the message that it was cheap, right? I know when I worked in county mental health, I wanted to make sure whenever I was able to have more control over a space, that I would want to make it furnished in such a way that clients felt appreciated and respected, right? Not too sterile. So, for example, here at the high school, I want the teenagers to not feel like they're at high school when they come into a therapy space. So I was pleasantly surprised when I found this set of, it's a pair, it's a set of a couch and a chair, it comes as a set. And I got it through Amazon, but Amazon was not the first place that came to mind in terms of quality, but it was in terms of shipping, right? So I was trying to keep my expectations managed when I was shopping around for a couch and a chair on Amazon. And actually, I was mainly looking for a couch, and I was pleasantly surprised when I found out it was a combo. But yes, efficiency was important, but I probably shopped around for several hours before I found this one in particular, because it has leather on the outside. It's cowhide leather and not just the fake leather. And that was important to me because I didn't want it to tear or wear easily. So I was pleasantly surprised with this set because not only did I find it was more affordable than I would have expected, it is very efficient and for therapy purposes. The arms on the chair are nice and thick. I can set my portfolio on it and take my notes without any problems. It's got a nice cushy, very thick back cushion that easily comes off and removable, and the cushions are nice and thick and not too soft, not too hard, and take a lot of wear and tear. Here you go. The couch is nice. It's not too long. I needed something that would fit along the wall, but not make it look forced. But I didn't want it so small that I wouldn't be able to host at least 2 people on it at a time comfortably. And this has turned out to be a great asset to my therapy space because it's very comfortable. It's not too tall. It's low enough to the ground that you can sit comfortably without feeling like your knees are bending too much. It's got the nice extra support cushions here, the nice bonus. And like I said, the leather is cowhide. And I must say, I'm rather impressed that having had these a year and a half now in this therapy space, there's not a single mark of tear or markings or anything like that. Like, these couches have taken a lot, given that this is a high school, right? But so far, no signs of damage. They've held up extremely well. And honestly, I couldn't be happier with this set of furniture for my therapy space. So I am very happy with it. I think you will be too. Give it a try. It's nice. It's easy to assemble. It comes in easy packaging, Amazon style, and I don't think you will be disappointed. So give it a try. If I need to furnish another space, I'll go straight to this set. All right? I think you will too. Take care.